Hi everyone and welcome to my intro to interactive brokers for Canadians video. I've been getting this video requested for quite some time. I actually opened an account back in May, but I was waiting until I got sponsored by interactive brokers to make videos on them. And I recently got a sponsor. I have a link where if you click on it, I get some commission. I don't get anything if you sign up. I only get something if you click the link. I'll leave it in the description. I'm going to start off just the basics, how to transfer money in, some of the features, and just for basics and for beginners. I'm not going to go deep into it, just how to buy stock, how to place a trade, what do the different buttons mean. The reason why I haven't been using interactive brokers, even though it has cheaper commissions for day traders, it's not the most user-friendly. I like how Questrade looks. When I'm trading just for beginners, it's just a lot prettier and very easy to use for beginners. And I'll just show you, I'll go through a few things. Jumping right in, this is the user interface. What I like is that you can hide the amount. So what's complicated about Questrade is I have to hide my account manually. But here I only have $100 and you get to hide your account and your amount. So when I'm trading, it's a lot easier. Right when you log in, you can see I don't have anything set up. Nothing is optimized. This is just like the main view. There is a paper trading account, which I might do a video on a little later. If I have time, I'll do it right now. So starting off the top, this is the home page. This is what it looks like. If you have a portfolio, if you've ever bought anything, you can click here. Right now, you don't have any positions. You can see your performance over time. Maybe I'll buy something live and then I'll show you what it looks like. If you have any orders or if you want to trade, you click on trade and you can go to order ticket. If you have orders pending and you want to see the status, you can go to orders and trades. I'll show you those a little later. What I do like is the education area. If you want to watch, if you're a visual learner, and if I haven't covered anything for my anything on my channel, you can go into education and you can watch their short videos. You can use these tickers at the top just to select what you're interested in. If you want to understand margin, it kind of separates everything out for you. If you're looking to transfer in money, I'll bring it up on screen. Hold on, do I have it somewhere? I do. So I use TD Bank for banking. And if you want to deposit, here's what you have to do. It's pretty easy. I set up bill pay under TD Bank, and then I'll show you what that looks like here. Okay, it's hidden somewhere. Where did it go? There we go. So I set up as a pay Canadian bills, and then you find Interactive Brokers Canada and you enter in your user account. So it's the same one that had hidden earlier. And then you can see here, I opened an account in May and I deposited $100, but I was just waiting until I got sponsored by Interactive Brokers, which I finally did. So if you want to withdraw, there are a few different methods to withdraw, and it does, I think, cost $2 every time you withdraw. You can select your currency, which I choose Canadian dollars, and then there is a small $2 fee here if you want $12. So I would just go EFT. If you want wire, if you're doing a big amount, maybe $12. It would be a little quicker, but $12 might add up if you do it frequently. I'm going to go right into trading or placing an order. There's a few ways you could do it. Like, let's look at Apple. If you know the symbol, it's not working. Apple. Press enter, and then it lets you choose. Do you want to trade the stock or the option? So I'll just go the stock. And then here's how it looks like. It is pretty confusing or complicated at the beginning. It gives you like events on the side. What's weird, like, I don't know why this didn't stick out to me right at the beginning, but like I was looking around like, hey, how do I place an order? I just want to click on Apple. But you can buy or sell with these buttons on the side. And then you can also click trade if you want. I wonder, would it pop up because I'm on Apple? So because I exited it. So if you want to trade anything random, you can go here. Let's type in Tesla. And then you can select stock or options chain. And if you want to do Apple specifically because you're on it, you can buy or sell just using these toggles. I like that the color changes based on what you're doing. So sell would be red, buy would be blue. In January, I accidentally pressed buy instead of sell on Tesla, and I lost $16,000 in 5 hours. We'll talk about that a little later. Again, for beginners, this does give a lot of information. It is pretty complicated. They give you, so if you want to go to research, okay, no, not research. I'm trying to see, I had different toggles over here for different information when I was searching a bit earlier, but I guess I lost it. This is not relevant for most people. If you want, you can add this to your watch list. So you could do new watch list, and I'll type YouTube. and this will pop up on the home screen. So we'll go find it here. There we go, my watch list. And I could jump directly to it. So if there's a few things that you're trading, there's a few things that you're searching or you're focused on. If you want to go into the options, you can click option chain. Again, like, see how this is a kind of weird. Like, I'm not comfortable showing this to beginners when they're trading options. I just don't like the way it looks. You have the dates at the top. You can change how things look over here. Maybe because I'm new to it, I'm not used to it, but it hasn't been the most intuitive for me, so I've kind of ignored it. But like, watch this. So you see how this is like blank? If you click on one, it'll come up as a trade. What's weird is like I'm clicking this X and it's not Xing, but you have to click here to leave it, which is fine. I understand. And you can select a specific option chain to watch if you want. Let's choose another one. I want to show you how to buy and sell. See, again, like I don't understand what the X is doing. So if we're going, let's say TD. One thing about TD is that it's not giving you TD.to. If you're Canadian and you're like, hey, where is it? You have to specifically read New York Stock Exchange. This is in American dollars, or Toronto Stock Exchange, which is in Canadian dollars. You click on this if you want the stock or options chain. So here, again, it gives you the same information, price to earnings ratio. If you're interested, there's more research available if you'd like, but we're just going to go through the basics. Also, what I like is it gives you the flag of what the currency it's in case you mess up. So if you do TD on NYSE, it gives you the currency, which does help avoid making any mistakes. So let's choose this, which is in Canadian dollars. What is this button? It gives you some information on it, which is nice. So what I will do, I will click, you can click research. This is what I was looking for. I was wondering where all the information was. You don't really need any other site or anything else if you're doing research on a company. It tells you the yield. It gives you ESG ratings, which is fake. ESG is fake. I'll get to that in another video, but it gives you the ratios, key financials. It gives you a lot of information. Again, this is too much for beginners. You don't really need this. This might be for more advanced, or if you took my my Canadian Finance Pro course, these would make a lot more sense. So let's get right into trading it. So I will go search inside. Oh, look at that. Trade. Let's go to TD and then make sure, okay, it's a little slow. You select TSE. What I will do is I will buy and sell one share and just show you what it looks like. So when you're putting in a buy order, what's funny is that this only moves by hundreds. So if I put one share and I press up, it goes by hundreds, but it won't let me go up by ones, which is fine. You can choose how much Canadian dollars you want to spend as well. If you only want to buy $50 and there's fractional shares. So we will go here. Let's select one share because I only have $100. Limit order, it's how much you want to pay. So if you want to do market order, I wouldn't focus on any of these as a beginner. Market order will buy at the market price. It will buy at what people are asking for. If you want to do limit, you will decide what price you want. So I can choose $80 if I want, but it's not going to get filled. I won't buy it because it's at $87. Why would someone sell it to me for 80 when they can sell it for 87? If you want, you can set a stop loss after you buy the share. So, hey, I bought it for 80. I want to sell at 79 if it drops. Or you have a profit taker. Like I bought at 80 and I want to sell at 150. And then you can set it for good till cancel for the rest of the day. I won't focus on this at the beginning. You shouldn't be day trading. You shouldn't be doing these stop loss profit takers unless you're trading or you're more advanced. I recommend everyone buy and hold. That's the best way to make money in my opinion. So I'll show you what this looks like. What I do like is that you can do previews. So I'm doing a limit order. I want to buy TD Bank for $80 and I'll click preview just to see what it looks like. And it tells me the commission. Like this is a lot cheaper than Questrade, a competitor. So it tells you how much margin you'd have left, how much you're paying. So I'll go transmit order. Because I did preview, you can go submit the order. It'll give me some prompts. I'll go do not show this again, accept, don't care, accept. And then order has been submitted and I'll go done. And now we can see what this looks like in the trade. Notice how it has a little red bubble here. I'll go orders and trades just to see what it looks like. I tried this out a little earlier. So right now it says I have TD Bank on the Toronto Stock Exchange, submitted an order to buy for $80. And then I'm going to modify it. So if you click on it, you can modify or cancel orders. I'll show you what that looks like when you cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. And then we will buy and sell. So let's choose something else. If you want, what is a good stock? Let's try BMO, Toronto Stock Exchange. We'll choose the stock. This gives us all the information. If we want to buy, ooh, I can't buy it because it's too expensive. Let's see CIBC. Stock, it is under 100. Nice. So let's buy. And if we want, let's buy one. Instead of limit order, I'll just choose market because I want to buy it right away. I can do preview to see how much it'll cost, 31 cents. You can transmit order, or you can do submit buy order right away, which I'll do right now. Submit buy order, it should fill right away. Submit. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, I know. It's telling me, instruction to submit an order at any price. Order has been filled. Nice. Let's see what this looks like here. Orders and trades. Now it'll say that's my order, which didn't get filled, and this was my actual trade. So status filled, which is great. And we can probably go to this and find it under portfolio. Go to portfolio. I've made 0.02 cents daily P&L. It gives you some information on your portfolio, which is interesting. My net liquidity, it doesn't mean cash. This means like cash plus shares. That would be my net liquidity. Let's see my performance. Obviously, I don't have anything, no performance because I just started trading. If you want to sell, let's see what it looks like on the homepage. Doesn't really pop up anywhere, which is fine. If we go to portfolio, click on it to sell. Let's click sell. And again, I only have one. What happens if we want to sell 1,000, which we don't have? Submit sell order. Let's go market. It won't let me. So let's try. Are you sure? Decline. I don't want to do this. Order not confirmed. Let's sell one. Let's see what it looks like. My commission will be 31 cents. I should have like $99 in cash after this. Let's go transmit order. Your order has been filled. If we go to trades, you'll see bought and sold. And if we go to portfolio, there'll be nothing. If we go to the homepage, I should have all cash. So I have $99.37 in cash. This is just the basics. I'm trying not to do anything crazy. With Questrade, because I'm not sponsored with them, I am thinking of transferring my entire account to Interactive Brokers because of the cheaper commissions. And because I'm now sponsored, so I might as well make videos with them. What I'm going to do is transfer my account. I might transfer my account. So you click transfer and then transfer positions. I'm not transferring funds. I'm transferring stocks and options that I already own. So we click transfer positions and then it'll ask me, what do you want to do? So I have incoming, transfer assets into your Interactive Brokers account. And then it'll tell me where I'm from, Canada. And then I'll select Questrade. So we'll do, what is this? Shares. I think we're going to do this. And then choose broker. So I will go Questrade. And then I'll obviously fill in my information, my account number and everything. And it'll take like 2 weeks to bring in. Is there anything else I want to show you? There's nothing important right now for beginners. Just to buy and sell, I showed you how to deposit money, how to buy something, how to sell something. Oh, you look at my performance. Because I lost the commission, I lost like 37 cents. I started at 100. Now I'm at 99.37. So you can see what it looks like. That's pretty funny. That's what my performance chart looks like. Is there anything else I want to show you? You don't really need these for the beginnings. Your tax documents will appear here at the end of the year. These aren't important for now. It is pretty complicated if you're new, if you've never bought or sold a stock before, but pretty simple if you've done the research, if you know what you want. Like TD Bank, a dividend paying stock, like obviously don't buy things you don't understand. I know what CIBC is. It's a good dividend paying stock. It's a Canadian bank. You can click it. You go buy, make sure you see the Canadian symbol. If you have Canadian funds, if you have Canadian dollars, you can buy one share to start. If you want it filled right away, you can just click market, have it set for the day. Don't go good till cancel. Just get it ordered and just get it filled right away. I wouldn't worry about profit takers or stop losses. Yes. And if you want, just click submit order and then it'll show up. I wonder what it wants to pop up, but I just don't want it. So go to done. and you can track your entire portfolio here. And yeah, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Again, I don't get anything if you open an account. I only get something just to check out the link. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and tune into the next one.